Do you work in a technical industry and sometimes feel nervous using English? Here are 3 common English problems technical workers have. Problem 1. Understanding instructions. So many workers understand basic English, but when a supervisor gives you fast instructions, important words get lost. Words like adjust, inspect, or replace can create confusion. Problem 2. Speaking under pressure. You know some vocabulary, some words, but then there's a problem. You freeze. You can't explain clearly. Your confidence disappears. Problem 3. School English is different. School English focuses on grammar and general topics. Technical English is practical and is technical language. It's a different skill. So if you recognise yourself in these problems, the good news is this: workplace English can be trained step by step. I'm currently offering a free technical English starter lesson for A2 factory workers or technical workers. You can test how this kind of practice works before joining the full programme. If you're interested, drop me the message free and I'll share it with you. Bye.